In this video, I'm going to show you the most amazing, well, maybe one of the greatest features of ArtListingPro, which is the mockup creator. You can upload your PNG files, JPEG files, which are mockups, and you can sort of sprinkle some magic on it to automate the inserting of your images, your digital art into these mockups. So I'll show you how this works. So we go to register mockups. We will now drag and drop one of our files in there. We can put in source and attribution, and these come in handy during the description template generation, because in the future you can just insert attribution and sources into your template as well. And you also see this red little dot here, X. This just means that this image is not registered yet. So how do we register it? We just need to mark the corners of this image. One click lets us scroll around and zoom like this. With the mouse wheel we can zoom further, and then if you click again we stop, and now you can mark the corner of the image. I like to be on the safe side and go a little bit into the frame, and now I see one dot is placed. Now we go to the second one. You see it keeps your zoom level, so now if I click again I will stop and can place the second dot. The order is not important. You can choose the order arbitrarily. And now the last one. Boop, and that's it. So if you make a mistake, you remove the last dot. You can clear the files. You can drag and drop multiple files. So just drag and drop all the mockups. If you don't want to register one, or you already have registered one, you just skip the image. But now we want to register the mockup. We press register, and now I see 41 was it before? Now it's 42. So we solved the universe with 42. Now we go to create listing, and let's drag and drops an image. So you can clearly see that this image is not the same size as the mockup, right? When we now drag and drop our mockup into here, if we press preview mockups, it will automatically crop it into the correct ratio and then insert it at the correct positions. If you do it, it looks like this. And this also works with skewed mockups. If you look at the mockup at an angle, it will also transform the image to fit the mockup. You can also just insert info images. So for example, if you have not registered a mockup, it will show you this message: unregistered mockups found. The following mockups are not registered and will be treated as info images. In my case, it doesn't make sense. I just put in another image, but you can put in, for example, an info card, which informs your customer about various things. So if I press preview mockups, it will still generate this one mockup, and this one it will just ignore and leave as is. And yeah, that's it. You can show the mockup names here. You can change the order. For example, if I drag and drop, you see the order is changed, and by pressing plus you can add more images. So you don't need to delete all of them, you can just basically append them. And that's it for now. Thank you very much. Let me know whether you like it, and see you next time. Bye bye.